For me, it's been a searching and questioning why. What is more? Why are we doing such? What is society bringing to us? Why are we supposed to be a certain way, certain things, and yet we go around the world suffering, in pain, in so much distortion, scrolling through our phones up and downs, not realizing how powerful, how beautiful we already are. And that being said, it led me on a series of amazing tools that I've been able to gather throughout these times. So what I did, I put together this thing called System Reset. When this pivotal moment really hit for me was after 10 days in complete darkness in the middle of Thailand with Jas Muhin. I have learned about darkness, dark room with no physical food for about 10 days straight. And after about the day 7, I just start crying and crying and crying because for the first time in my life I have touched myself for who I am, not for who I am not for what I've been told, not for all that BS we are told. And so what I did is I went on a quest of how can I bring this to the world, to the people like yourself? How can we not spend decades of pain, decades of thinking we're doing it right, but actually being it right? So what I named this is general awesomeness. So the NOAMovement is essentially about how can we realize the highest potential starting with the me, you, yourself. I break that down into the body, the physical, mind, the mental, emotions, which really make our life feel real, and then the spirit. Here's the funny thing, people say body, mind, soul, but to me, it's really the emotion that makes things feel real. So the question is, how do we match the frequency? How do we slow things down in our life to come from a subtle, slow space?